What's going on, YouTube? This is Tyler back again with another video on showing you how to do my install for a carbon fiber armrest. So let's get started. I got this from myvqparts.com and let's begin. Okay, so first things first, open up the armrest, and once you're going to do that, you will see the little backing. This will have to be come out with a little plier or screwdriver flathead. And all you gotta do is just shimmy from the bottom. As you can see, it's a little bit of a struggle, but once you reveal the backing plate off of that armrest cover, you'll reveal 3 screws, and we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for this. And once you got that done, all you need to do is put the screws in, screw it back in, and then you're pretty much done. It's literally a under 5-minute job. Also, I just wanted to show you guys that I also installed the Z1 phone holder. I think it's pretty cool. It's a little magnetic case phone holder for your iPhone or Android, and I think it's pretty cool, but it's also a simple install procedure as well. All you need to do is remove the backing plate on the bottom for your HVAC and controls on your center console, and just push that down. Reveal 2 screws, unscrew those Phillips head screws, and then your center console will fall down. And also reveal the backing plate where you can put a extra screw in there, and it's pretty simple to install, under 5 minutes as well. I also wanted to show you, I also recently installed a new carbon fiber engine cover, but I just want to let you guys on a little quick install video. If you like it, share it, subscribe, and share it with all your friends, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you.